Hello. There are so many people who want to make much more difference to the world around them. They want to contribute more. They want to participate actively in the process of co-creation of society. However, at times they are puzzled as to where to make that beginning. In this video, I am going to share with you certain ideas which will help you to get started. Let us begin. The first one is volunteer. There are so many organizations which are doing some amazing work in the field of work they have chosen for themselves. You need to ask yourself, what are you interested in? Is it education? Is it healthcare? Is it care for older people or maybe children? Is it cleanliness? Is it environment? Whatever is your area of interest, I'm sure you'll find many organizations which are doing some serious work in that, and perhaps you would like to volunteer for them. Another way to look at it is wherever you are staying, there may be some set of people who have come together and they are working for some cause. And if that matches with your own interest, you can associate with them. An example that I'm giving is the place where I'm staying in Hyderabad. There are some set of people who started an initiative, and that initiative is meant for young children, shaping their minds. And they have been working together for quite a number of years now, and they love to do that. This is one of the easiest ways to make a difference. The next one is raise and support issues. There are so many issues which need to be brought to the attention of either the government or even people at large. And if an issue is close to your heart, you can actively associate with that. And one of the easiest ways to do that is write about it. You can write blogs, you can write on social media, you can create videos about it, and so on. Another way is you give your time for that, to educate people, to raise awareness. And let me give you a couple of examples here. In our society where I stay, when waste segregation was an issue, government guidelines had to be followed. There were some people who got interested in that, and they went home to educate every resident why waste segregation is important and how to do that easily. They went one step further. On important occasions, when there used to be larger gatherings in our society, they started arranging street plays, and it worked because it was fun and people got the message, and there was tremendous change after those events. Another example that comes to my mind is safe driving or unnecessary honking that we notice. If that is an area of your interest, perhaps you can get in touch with traffic police and associate with them because they keep on arranging awareness campaigns. This is how you can raise and support issues that you are interested in. The next one is cook for others. This is something easy to put into practice. There are so many neighbors you have. Everyone has their own tastes. You have your own specialties. And whenever you make something that you are good at, perhaps you can share with your neighbors. Another example that comes to my mind in terms of cooking for others is in this pandemic times, there are so many good Samaritans who came to the forefront of cooking for others. There were so many families which were really badly affected, and they perhaps did not know where will they get their meals from. And such families came to support them who were able to cook for others. And perhaps home-cooked meal must have contributed to their faster recovery also. The next idea that comes to my mind is donate blood. If you are healthy and you are a person who is willing to help others, perhaps donating blood is one of the noblest of causes. There are so many accidents that keep on happening, and people feel the need of supply of blood. And sometimes just because of blood is not available, there are lives lost. And you can do it at your own volition. As and when you are fit, as and when the time permits, you can go and donate blood. The next one is donate books, or perhaps start a library. Every family has their own interest of books, and they keep on collecting it over a period of time, and they keep on lying in their shelves. You can start a library from your own home, and that will become a fun event. You will connect with your neighbors and people around you. Or you can donate additional books, surplus books, to some libraries or to some children. That is one of the ways to start making a difference. The next one is be a caring consumer. Are you a person who wants to protect the environment? Are you a person who is pained by landfills being filled by plastic? If that is so, you need to become a caring consumer yourself first. And how do you do that? One of the easiest ways is to stop using plastic, to start using sustainable products. When you go to a supermarket, demand non-plastic packaging. And there is an example that I'm sharing. In the area where we stay, there was a supermarket which was forced to change their way of packaging just because consumers started demanding it. Another example I'm giving is there are so many celebrations happen at homes, birthday celebration, this party or that occasion, and a lot of disposable stuff is wasted there. There was a group of ladies who came together and created a bank of steel utensils. And for all those celebrations, they were providing it at a cost. And imagine how much disposable wastage was avoided through that. This is how you can be a caring consumer. The next one is recycle. So many products can be recycled. Even plastic can be recycled. Rather than just thrown in the trash, it can be recycled. Whether it is paper, whether it is clothes, everything has a potential of getting recycled. So rather than just throwing it in the trash, start distributing at places where it can be recycled or who can recycle it. And that is one of the easiest ways to make a difference. The next one is grab a chance to help. And there are so many occasions that come in front of all of us as people living in a society where you can help. Whether it is looking after an older person, whether it is taking care of a child, whether it is dropping someone to the airport, and so on and so forth. As and when you get an opportunity to help, just grab it, and that will be your contribution, that will be your way of making a difference. And the last thought that I'm sharing is share your story. All of us are traveling our own journeys, and all of us are creating our own stories through overcoming the challenges that we are facing in our lives. And every story has a potential to inspire someone else. That is why be willing to share your stories, and not once. Whenever you get a chance, share your story. You never know whose life will get changed listening to just your story. These are some of the ways that I've shared with you which can help you to make a difference. Choose which one suits you and start taking action on that. I wish you all the best. I wish that you make a lot of difference, and I'll meet you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.